Yay! Good morning, Dunedin! We're heading to the church first and then start na namin ang trip namin. It's parking lot lang kami ng hotel. The hotel is just over there. Leave na namin yung church. Saglit lang kami doon, tumingin. Tapos, yun.
Dalawa mo yung card ko?
Oo.
Iyakin natin.
We'll be heading railway station. Yan. Just today, tingnan natin yung napakagandang railway station nila. Still cold and it's still early. And hindi pa bukas yung museum na pupuntahan namin. So, we'll be staying here. Samahan niyo kami. Dito tayo mag-start.
Simbahan mo kayo.
Oo nga eh. Sana makapasok tayo sa loob. Oo. Grabe, ang ganda, no? Oh. This is nice. Bakit bawal pumasok doon sa loob? Doon ka dapat pumasok sa kabila. Pag ano, if you want to stay here. Grabe, ang daming ano. It's a lot of flowers. Halika, may art gallery din dyan, be. Hindi, sige, mag-ano ka lang. Nice.
It's wet.
Is it?
I'm wet. A little bit.
Look.
These are grip.
It is. Nak, look for the cars, It will pass by both directions. Daming flowers. Look, oh. Yay! Okay, so let's go inside the railway station, guys. Ooh, nice. So this is the ticketing bed. Here. Let's see kung ano meron. Is the train going? Let's see the train. The train is going. Let's see the trains. EPA! Bye, train! We're going. Yep. Punta tayo sa may art gallery. But let's wait for Daddy. Yay! So magka-coffee lang kami today. And then, hot chocolate ako. And then we are in, what is that? Otago Settlers Museum. Otago Settlers Museum. And papasyal namin si Sophie because this is a very kid-friendly museum. So this is one spot na talagang pupuntahan namin here at Dunedin. Sophia. Hindi ko na na-vlog kanina. Dumating na yung chocolate namin. So, I have the large one. Sophie has the small one, the kids one. Joey had the cappuccino. And we are looking the map of the museum. So, it's a very kids-friendly. Pwede nilang hawakan lahat ng mga things. Merong mga touchable things na may encounter nila. And yeah. And then the last trip. Oh! Mag-exit kami sa Dunedin Chinese Garden. So, hindi na tayo we will be exiting this one. Dito tayo lalabas. Sa Chinese Garden mismo. That's nice. Enjoying your hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Is it nice? Good job.
If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it? In it? Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. They said that you loved me all along. Now I see you dancing with some other man. I wanna see where this goes. I need a light to see home. And I want you to know, sunshine, you are my sunshine. It's another morning. I wanna wake up as more than just friends. Sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in.
Yay, lumabas na kami sa museum, pero this is still part of the museum. This is the Chinese Garden. Yan.
China.
Nice. And we will get some tickets here. Kasi I think it's a private property. Ticket sales available. So opening hours is now. Child under 13 free. Maximum 3 per adult. 12 months. So we will just pay. There you go. Eating lunch with the family. First day in Dunedin.